welcome back. We are doing a 10-minute upper body bridal burn and sculpt workout, and I am so excited. So you're going to need dumbbells and just your sexy little body, okay? So we're actually doing only one exercise with dumbbells, and then the rest will just be body weight. Very, very excited. This is gonna be a slow burn, so get ready for it. We're gonna start with a little bit of a warm up just to get your upper body a little bit looser, and then we will go into the workout starting with your dumbbell. So just get that right arm moving forward. Nice job. And back with this arm. And other arm forward. And back with this arm. I also want you to focus on your core throughout all of these workouts. We're gonna do a little core and a little upper body for you. And cross your body. All right, we're gonna start with front and lateral L raises. So go ahead and grab your 5-pound weights. I wouldn't go any heavier than this. One arm's gonna lift to the side, one arm's gonna lift forward. Here we go. We got 40 seconds to just get swole right here. So if you need to drop weight, that's totally fine. This is a long 40 seconds. You might be more comfortable at 2 pounds or 3 pounds, and that's okay. So just coming to about shoulder height here, you don't need to go any higher, and I want you to keep this movement really isolated, so no major swings. And if you watch your body doing that to get the weights up, it means you need to drop weight, okay? So stabilize with that core. You got 5. We're gonna go into prayer pose next in 3, 2, and 1. All right, dumbbells down. Palms come together and forearms come together. So it's gonna look like this. You're just gonna lift and lower here. And you're like, Wendy, that's so easy. Girl, you just wait. It's not gonna be easy. Lift and lower right here. You are going to feel it in your shoulders. And I also want you to focus on not over-engaging your neck to get your arms up. So just lift and lower. Keep those abs tight while you do this, okay? Breathe through. Little lift, little lower. You got this. Almost there. Come on. 5, 4. We have inchworms to finish in 3, 2, and 1. All right, coming to the end of your mat. Ouch, my shoulders hurt so bad already. You're gonna stretch down, get a little hamstring stretch. Walk your little self out. Sorry, we can move our weights. We're gonna shoulder tap at the end here. 1 tap, 1 tap, walk yourself back. This is a little bit of a relaxing exercise. Your arms are still working, but we're gonna give yourself a little bit of relief in between those 2 shoulder workouts. Walk it out, keeping your body really tight and stabilized as you come into those shoulder taps. Almost there, in 3, 2, and 1, walking it back. Nice job, deep breath. We're going back to those L raises. Grab your dumbbells, here we go. Tight tummy, woo! Yes, so most brides, lift and lower here, want very sculpted arms when they're on their wedding day, which guess what, I do too. I'm getting married in 2 months. We're so excited. Lift and lower here. So I've been doing a lot of upper body because you want your triceps to be showing, a little biceps, definitely the shoulders, which is what we're doing right now. Keep it tight, you got this. 5, 4, come on. 3, 2, and 1, yes. All right, prayer pose. Palms together, forearms together, press it. So, to get these very sexy sculpted arms that you want, you should be lifting a little bit of weight. I know that a lot of women are very scared to lift weights because they think that they're gonna get very, very bulky. You're not gonna get bulky unless you're lifting like an insane amount of weight. So you'll be fine. You're just gonna get that sculpted arm that you're looking for. Oh my gosh, are you in so much pain? I am. Wow, we're doing it for the aisle. 5, 4, come on. Ouch, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Okay, here we go. Working it out with those inchworm shoulder tap. Tap and tap. Sorry, don't rock as much as I am. Just don't want my hair to get in the mic. Coming down, walk that body out. tap, and tap. Deep breath, you got this. Nice. Keep pushing, just a few more here, and then you're gonna get a break. We have another circuit after this, and guess what? Then you're done. It's very close, it's very fast. We love it. Tap, tap. One more here, stand all the way up, back down. Nice, tap and tap. Standing up. All right, great job with that. We're gonna come down to the mat to finish off. So we're gonna be swapping back and forth so that you stay on the arm that you're working. So we're gonna first start with a tricep dip. So right arm is gonna come across your body, left arm is gonna go out in front of you. You're gonna lower your little self down to the ground and press your little self back up. We got 30 seconds and you're starting now. Lift up and down. So this is a tricep workout. If you're like, I don't know what you're talking about, this is hurting my shoulder and it's not working for me, go ahead and pop into a tricep kickback for me. That's totally acceptable too. But this is a great workout if you're on the road, if you're traveling a lot for work, but you still wanna get a good workout in, this is a great tricep workout. You got 3, 2, come on, and 1. All right, still working that same arm. We're gonna flip over to the other side, lift up into a side plank. We're gonna thread the needle. So a lot of the weight that's stabilizing you is in your shoulder and arm right here. And obviously this is a little bit for your core. Twist around, you got this. So you can take a staggered stance or stack your feet, whichever you prefer. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Nice job. All right, we're already on the right side. Okay, so we're gonna go other arm here. Again, you can grab your dumbbells if you'd rather. Press it down, lower down to the ground, and lift. Amazing. So if you can't get all the way down to the ground, if this is about as low as you can go, that's totally fine as long as you feel it up your tricep here. That's the muscle that we're focusing on right now. 10 more seconds. And we're gonna flip over to the other side. You're almost there. Woo! Come on. 3, 2, and 1. Ouch. All right. Into that side plank. Here we go. Thread the needle. Stack or stagger. Don't think I did it at the last one because I was making eye contact with the camera, but your eyes should be following your hand as it sweeps under and comes up. Really getting into that twist. Also, notice that my shoulder is over my elbow. It's not way out here. That'll hurt your side. You got 3, 2, and 1. Wow. Ow, oh man, it's really burning already. Okay, here we go. You got one more round and then you're done. Hand down, here we go. 30 seconds. Left side triceps. Deep breath. We are pushing all the way through this workout. Getting a full upper body workout right now and it's so good. And really, you could do like 10 minutes of this and like 20 minutes of cardio, 15 minutes of cardio, and you'd be set. Great workout. Almost there. You got 3, 2, we're gonna flip to the other side, and 1. Ooh, my triceps. Okay, here we go. 30 seconds, right into it. Shoulder over elbow. Nice. Almost there. Really focus on the muscles that you're using. You got 3, 2, and 1. Wow, wow, wow. Shoulders and triceps are burning. Okay, here we go. Last round, lift and lower. You can cross over or under your arm actually, whichever you prefer. Nice. Oh my gosh, coming all the way down is so hard. If you've never done this workout before, it's okay. Sometimes it takes some finagling to feel right in your body. You got 3, 2, and 1. Oh my goodness. All right, working that same side. Here we go to finish off strong. Last 30 seconds. Do you have it in you? The answer is yes, you do. And you're gonna keep working out with me until the very end. Wow, we really need a staggered stance. What were we thinking with stacked? No. Almost there. Come on, tight abs. 5, 4, we don't quit. 3, 2, and 1. Ah! Oh my gosh, amazing job. So proud of you. Go ahead and get into a little bit of a stretch now. Really allow those arms to release some of those muscles that have just been working. A little overhead tricep for you. Jump over to a HIIT workout if you'd like, or just get onto a stretch. I am so proud of you, and I'm so excited for your wedding. All right, I'll see you soon.